Hello there, and welcome back. Day 21, Twitter marketing strategies. Down in Torrux Pueblo, in a little lower spot where they have a nice outdoor bar here and play wonderful music in the evenings over there. That's brilliant. But anyway, as it's today, Saturday, I thought I'd make a little roundup of the week, and I did post a tweet earlier which reflects some of that. This is the 30-day challenge, as you know, walking challenge I've set myself. I encourage you to set yourself one and do it in the thread that I posted, and I'll put a link below here. There's one for Dickie Bush about how 30 days got him to where he is, a writing habit. And then there's because we talked about email marketing the week before, it's a brilliant thread which is a checklist, so check those out. I'm sure they'll help you. And as for my affiliate marketing tip today, high ticket items, that's where you want to be aiming for. You may have to go in with low ticket, but high ticket is much easier to sell one product a month or two a week, whatever, than 100 or 200, of smaller priced items. But check my bio, you'll find a link that will help you out with that. Okay, so take care in this hot weather if you're in one of the heat-stricken places in the world, and drink plenty of water. Another tip for you. Ed Kirwan saying bye-bye, and I hope to see you in another one tomorrow.